In the beginning, God created heaven and the earth. The darkness covers all the world. Then God said, "Let there be light." And there was light. Then God divided the light from the darkness and called it day and night. And God said, "Let the waters created and the sky above and oceans below." Then, on the sixth day, God created man, holy man, on his own image, and made him the ruler of all his creation. Then God manifests and introduced his creation to the woman. Then the woman was tempted to eat the fruit of wisdom. Finally, she decided to eat it.